Good morning, world, and welcome to Queensland. I crossed over to Queensland a few days ago now, and we are just below Darwin. We've had some van troubles. We've probably spent a couple grand on her in the last 2 weeks, which is insane. But anyways, here we are just outside of Darwin, and today we're going to take you to explore some waterfalls. Wakey wakey! Wakey wakey! As you can see, I was already unmaking the bed while I made coffee and folded things up and got the curtains open. Luke just sleeps right through it all. I don't know. Yeah. A little crumpet.
I feel it's like 5 AM.
It's not. It's 5:30. It's probably 6 now. Rise and shine! Since we've been up here, the mornings have been so much cooler, and the evenings we've actually been able to sleep with our doors closed, with a blanket on, and it's been so nice. The daytimes are still so hot, you still want to swim and explore and do all the things, but the night times and mornings have cooled down so much, and we feel so much better about it. The downfall is, now Luke just wants to sleep in all the time, whereas when it was too hot, he was up with me. He was up and ready to go. Now,
That's nice.
can't get out.
5:46. I've made coffee. I've got Jen out of bed. I'm rearing to go.
Yeah.
Jen's still sleepy, but I'm awake. I'm ready to go. Let's get this waterfall.
Ow! Is it? We actually can't go any faster. This is the first time we've seen hills in ages, and we forgot how slow she was. Started coming through. We did this waterfall track yesterday, but these falls, Mila, were heaving.
Most photographed falls.
Yeah, they're the most photographed falls in all of Australia, so they were so busy. So we were like, alright, we'll finish the rest of the loop and we'll come back tomorrow morning. And we'd come back tomorrow morning, and then there's people who have camped here, which like it literally says no camping. That's so annoying, because now they're in the way of our spot where I wanted my photos to be. Look up here.
I think we scared them off.
We probably woke them up earlier than they
definitely woke them up earlier than they intended to be. But look how pretty. Alright, I think we got the shot. Did we get the shot? She always does that. She always goes, oh, I don't think it was good enough. And she goes and looks at them and goes, oh, these ones are good, these ones are good. Every time. So I just have to put up with her disappointment until she looks at them. Yeah, I am having a good bitch. Alright, it's time for walk number 2. Up to another waterfall. I think it's we're either going on a 2k or a 4k. One of the two. But we're doing both anyway, so. Let's go, Coco, let's go! We are going to make a bit of brekkie. with beans on toast, and then head out for this little hike. Delicious. Hello, leader.
We found a pretty little room. So pretty. Look at the little hairs down there.
Don't know where the other half is.
I have no idea, but look how like sparkly he is. So pretty.
We are pretty happy to be back in the rainforest at the moment. After pretty much from Perth all the way to here, just nothing. Whoa. Well, I found kind of like the full guy. Anyway, as I was saying, we are very happy to be back into the hills, into the views, into the rainforest and the waterfalls. Actually, there was waterfalls. The greenery. It's been nothing but flatness. Crazy. So yeah, we're pretty happy at the moment. Happy to be back. Have let go. What do we reckon? Should we get in the falls? I think so. Let's do it. Relatively. Got the shot. The next fall. How'd you go?
Hard.
Hard?
Hard lighting.
Oh really?
Manual settings and stuff.
Yeah.
Trying to get better.
How about those flies? Do you have the March flies on you as well?
Not as bad as you did.
Oh, that's so annoying. Bye bye, Falls. You've been good. Let's go. Good. We'll rinse off the shower.
And lots of pictures. So many pictures.
Alright, time to go. You've been good. Bye. Purring.
First 3 waterfalls.
Yeah. Let's go see falls number 4? 3? 4? 1 and 2.
That was well worth 2Ks.
That's definitely worth the walk.
Luke was having a little like,
That was
do we
fun.
have to go?
Right,
Look
in
at
the
the
cat, out the
pictures.
cat, in the cat, out the cat, in the cat, out the cat, in the cat, out the
He
cat.
needs to be tired.
I'm hungry too.
Already?
Yeah.
What's that breakfast?
I know, I'm snacky.
No snacks.
What?
No snacks.
What was it?
Those
Stupid flies.
Biting me, those
Bastards.
stupid March flies. Oh, wow.
I can't believe how cool it is.
Okay, I'm hungry, so it's time to go and have lunch. There you go. Lunch pot. Goodbye, waterfall.
You were spectacular.
were very spectacular. Listen to all the bugs and the waterfall. Listen to that. Anyway, let's go.
We are back, and now it is lunchtime. Much needed. Some much needed food. Alright, so we've just had lunch, and now we are speedily cleaning up because there are so many March flies. Look. That's just my seat. Look at his window. They're everywhere! And they take such big bites out of you. So, yeah, doing dishes and we're carrying on. That was freaking crazy. There's still freaking tons up there. And there's tons like in the back. Did you get him? There's tons in the boot back there. Like, I don't know what to do about that. You couldn't get them out before you left because they just kept coming in. There's so many. Anyways, we are going to continue on into Atherton, I think it was called. Stock up on some groceries, it's been a while. There's a few other waterfalls to do around here, but we are waterfalled out.
Yeah.
So, time to carry on. The errands are finally finito. Finito! So now we are on our way. Oh, look at these trees. Very good. Very nice. We are on our way to camp. Approximately 39 minutes. So probably an hour for us. Improvised camp for the night. But I mean, if that's not proof that other people have done it, I don't know what is. Luke's already got the beer out. Get to listen to beautiful birds all night. It's great. It's sick. This is better than lots of camps you pay for. It is chat time.
Luke and Jen.
The plans have significantly changed in a matter of minutes.
That one time we had a plan, and it changed.
So we just learned that the spot we've camped in is actually the start track for a summit walk.
Which is
The summit of
Queensland's highest mountain. Which isn't actually that high, 1622.
But still,
But still.
how did we not know this?
We had no idea.
How did we not know this? I have no idea.
No, we stumbled across it. We were driving down looking for a dodgy camp spot because we wanted to sit
go
off.
hike Winden Falls for sunrise.
Yeah, so we're going to stop at 3 AM to do Winden Falls. This is getting a lot, but anyway, we found a new hike that we're going to go do instead tomorrow morning, and we're going to go camp up there. So that's going to be a new video. So we're going to be ending this one soon after dinner, and then it's going to be into the mountain climb. Damn, that was rough. The Cassowary. Oh my god, the Cassowary. things existed until yesterday. Wow. Insane. A cassowary. What?
That was really cool.
I don't think either of us knew one of these existed before,
No.
like, what, 1 or 2 days ago?
No.
And we
Just
just
seen
saw
a couple
endangered
signs
for them up in northern Queensland near Cairns. And then one just rolled up behind the van.
Look at this one with his eyes.
Look at this.
He's like an emu cross fucking turkey. Slash dinosaur. I don't know. Very cool though. Very, very soaked.
I thought there was a bug.
That was... I love seeing animals I've never seen before. That was wicked.
Tonight we're making
My makeshift pizza.
like a vegan pizza because we don't buy cheese or anything. Cheers! Cheers to a good night!
Yeah.
And a great hike tomorrow.
Let's get weird. Let's get weird.
Our pizza topping ingredients, which consists of onions, garlic, chickpeas, diced tomatoes, and a bunch of herbs and spices. And then we've got our tortillas, which are our pizza bases.
Yum.
And then we've got some fresh Tommy and some olives. And let me tell you, they're freaking good. We tried it once, not too long ago, and I think we've had it like every second night since.
Look at this. Ooh.
Oh, dang.
There's a pizza base.
Look at that.
That looks delish.
Deluxe. Hugh's pizza. Jenny's pizza. No, we hate olives. They're disgusting. Ew.
That is it for today's video. We have our pizzas. Already nice to eat. And we are going on this hike tomorrow, Queensland's highest mountain. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. And give it a like, give it a comment, subscribe if you enjoyed. And only if you enjoyed. But yeah, good night people.